And in this video I'm going to show you the Crud operation. Crud means create, read, update and delete. So we are going to use Laravel 8, which is currently the latest version. So before we proceed ahead, I would like to mention one thing, that I consider that you already have basic knowledge of Laravel, then it will be easier to understand this tutorial. So first, what we will do to install Laravel, you must have installed already Git Composer, this composer, okay, into your machine. So if you have not downloaded, then I recommend you to download from here, only then you can proceed from here. So this is the URL. From there you can download and install Composer into your machine. So download from here and simply install into your computer. Once you have done that, then we will proceed ahead. Now the next thing is, open your terminal or command prompt to run the below code. So what we are going to do, let's open here cmd or command prompt, and here I'm opening as run as administrator because it has all the permission what you require. So first we will create a folder, md Laravel. Okay, it's already said Laravel 8. Sorry, md Laravel 8. Okay, so this one is also there, right? Then cd Laravel 8 md Laravel 8. Okay, so this folder is not there. cd Laravel 8. Okay, now let's run this command, this one. Just copy from here and then paste. So the command is here, composer then space create project hyphen preferred destination Laravel and Laravel blog. So a folder called blog will be created inside Laravel 8 folder under this folder, Laravel folder. So just press enter and the installation will start. Remember, you can change this name whatever you like, and it will be installed with that folder name. Now Laravel is successfully installed. Now if I press dir, then this is our folder name. We write here cd blog, then php artisan serve. Using this command php artisan serve, you can run the server and test into the browser. So this is the browser path. Now let's copy it and paste into web browser. Okay, so this is the home page of newly installed Laravel 8. So that's it with this video, installation part, and in the next video I will show you that how we will create database and also how we will set up the database with this Laravel 8. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.